Good afternoon and welcome to Natilik Live. My name is Rory Tempest and I'm here today to talk around the fascinating world of hyperconvergence. I'm delighted to say I'm joined today by Will Howell and Tom Green from Cisco. Gents, welcome to Natilik Live.
Hello, thanks for having us.
We're going to be talking about hyperconvergence today. Seems a big word, or hyperconverged infrastructure. What is it exactly?
What is it? Yeah, okay, so to put it simply, Rory, hyperconverged infrastructure is taking compute, storage switching and virtualization and putting it all together in one box, which is very highly scalable to manage and deploy and scale. Essentially, that's all it is.
Okay, and this is, so from what I've seen, this is around, you guys launched a new product set around what you call Hyperflex. So talk a little bit about that as a product and why Cisco, why Hyperflex, why is it different to other vendors?
Okay, so the hyperconverged market is probably about 6.5, 7 years old now, and we're not actually first to market. We released a solution called Hyperflex just over 2 years or so ago now. But in the time that it's taken to release that platform, we've seen what the market is doing, what are other players doing in this space. And we've released a solution which we think is addressing, I guess, a certain number of sustainable differentiators. We address some architectural shortcomings that these other, I guess you could call them, competitors have. And we released Hyperflex. So I guess the first main differentiator that we're bringing to market is the fact that we've taken compute, storage switching and virtualization, but included a highly optimized, highly redundant, highly secure network fabric to that architecture. So I guess we're bringing network to hyperconverged for the first time that it's ever been done. Like I said, networking, 40 gig network integration. We're very unique in that we allow customers to scale Hyperflex, both in as far as compute and capacity, but independently of each other. We can offer a turnkey container appliance using Kubernetes orchestration. We're actually able to complement existing data center architectures such as converged stacks and third-party storage arrays, cloud-hosted management, the list goes on. We've had a lot of success since we released the platform. We're the fastest growing hyperconverged solution on the marketplace today with just under 3,000 customers. So exciting 2 years, and it's going to get even more exciting going forward into next year.
Seems it, yeah. Some rapid growth in that world. And Tom, I'll come to you because we've obviously in our client base we've seen some great success with Hyperflex and deployments.
Sure.
Any good examples you'd pick out?
Yeah, so there's one that springs to mind, and that would be a high-end luxury retailer, Liberty London. Liberty were having severe user experience difficulties around their virtual desktop infrastructure. The existing infrastructure that was in place was just not up to the job. Average sort of login time for users was anything sort of north of 3.5 minutes. So there was quite a lot of internal heat on the IT department. So Natilik partnered with Cisco and wanted to go in together with a Hyperflex solution to address the challenges that the business had. One of the key takeaways and operational improvements is that desktop login time has reduced from 3.5 minute average down to about 30 seconds or less. So from a customer user experience perspective, great improvements.
Yeah, I can imagine, and I know that the feedback from the client was exactly that. It's nice as an IT function when you can deliver that back to the end user. So a great story, and we're going to share some of that information on the website with the case study that you guys have done alongside that. If there are clients might be in a similar situation as we saw Liberty, or clients that are looking at hyperconvergence, what would you say is the best way to sort of them to look at that journey and start that journey with?
Yeah, so there's two things to consider. So if you're considering hyperconverged infrastructure as part of a data center refresh or a cloud migration project, whatever it may be, we have been independently validated and tested by Enterprise Strategy Group, ESG. It's a public-facing report, and it just demonstrates and highlights that Cisco can offer consistent performance when applications require it through Hyperflex. So there's a public-facing report that we'll share, and the second thing is obviously to engage with your Natilik account team.
Perfect. Yeah, gents, I mean, it's a fascinating world. I know it's been a huge growth area for Cisco and exciting developments coming out every day, right? So firstly, thank you for your time on Natilik Live this morning. So as mentioned, if you want to find out a bit more information around Liberty of London, or indeed the reports that the guys have spoken about, what we'll do is we'll pop the link out at the end of this stream. You'll be able to download those assets from our website and find out a little more. And as Tom says, get in touch with the Natilik account team if you want to look at what Hyperconvergence and Hyperflex in particular can deliver for your organisation. But for now, that's all I need to say. Thank you very much, Joe. We'll hopefully have you on some stage soon, back talking about it, and welcome you guys back on our live stream in the near future. Thank you.
Thanks.